Work is starting today. Hopefully we'll be pouring this staircase. Danny has gone out to get supplies, some more supplies, and some of the young ladies are gonna do some painting. And there's a couple of guys gonna get back with a wheat whacker. And of course there's some that are in the kitchen cleaning up and finishing off from breakfast. Need some help or is it going? Here, let me check. Quick. This crew is gonna start trenching and putting a water pipe all the way down to the stables. They're also cleaning this. That's our spring, delicious water in that spring. So they're gonna trench all the way down. Huh? Popsicle break. Here's some work being done by one of our churchmen. Getting ready for lunch. That's the 90-person paella that the Brookside team bought for us years ago. Sorry, I can't give you the smell over WhatsApp. This is lunch. Part of lunch. We have some people visiting today from church, and then a few that are families of church members that are not believers yet. And the pour is finished. And yeah. Joel is putting on the Hampton Park signature. No, I don't think you can see it, but it's there. Oh, last days to sing God's praise, then when we first. This is my friend.
It's one of those verses, one of those passages that's really good.
This is lunch after a full morning of work, and this afternoon is chill time, clean up, and so forth, and then we'll leave for church a little before 7, and we usually don't get out of church until 10 or later, so it'll be a full evening. So we have a few hours of sort of R&R, I guess. Well, the group is practicing. We're here early before the service on this Friday, and it sounds like they have drums somewhere because we're getting a hailstorm. Look at that. Some of those are pretty big. Good night. Yeah, some of those are good marble size. Friday fellowship. In just a minute, the team will go up and sing, and we'll have some testimonies from the Hampton Park team.
I knew I was a sinner and I needed salvation. That night,
Por unos padres ya en su vejez. Mi papá apenas cumplió los 87 años, mi mamá tiene 77, o sea, ya son mayores, mucho mayor para ser mis abuelos y todo.
This opportunity
Pero estoy muy bendecida de tener esta oportunidad
to share with all of you.
de compartir con vosotros.
In a foreign country, I've studied Spanish for 8 years.
En un país extranjero, he estudiado español por
Wonderful service, great testimonies from the young people or the team members. Now we're all eating, having a good supper too. And it is 9:40 for you in the States who eat supper at 5:30 or is it not, or 6. It's good stuff.
I talked to you earlier when we were working, just sharing a little bit about ourselves, and I went more into detail, and you heard most of it as well, but